Okay, so now for your last superhero bubble. Sorry about that. We had some technical difficulties, so I needed to start up on another video. Okay, so this is the one that most students can't stand. Combustion equations are not all of that, not really fun, right? But there are these rules to help you out. Okay, so in this superhero bubble, what I want you to write is, in a combustion reaction with, I know, decimals or fractions. I know it's slightly annoying. To balance, multiply all coefficients by 2. All right, so let's work it out. Okay, so we're going to use the original rule first, right? So in combustion equations, we're going to balance carbon, then hydrogen, then oxygen. Okay, so let's do it. We have 8 carbon. I need 8. Let's put down that 8. And let me clear up some of this info from the problem above, just so you guys don't get confused. Okay, so we are done with carbon. Okay, so let's go to hydrogen. I have 18 hydrogens. I need 18. I have 2. What number do you have to multiply 2 by to get 18? Hopefully your brain said 9, because that is the right answer. Hydrogen's done. Now here comes the issue. If we take a look at our oxygens, we have 16 oxygens, and now we have 9 oxygens. Add them up, we have 25 total oxygens. The problem is that 25 does not divide evenly in half. So there are 2 ways that you can represent this in the equation. Either way, you're still going to have to follow that last rule. You can either write 12.5, right, because that's half of 25. Or the way that you will see it in most equations is you will see 25 divided by 2. Now, I just want to point out to you that when you're seeing equations that have a decimal or a fraction, most of the time your book is going to represent it as a fraction. So that's why I want to get you used to seeing the fraction. Okay, so your problem says that if you have a fraction, you need to multiply everybody by 2. So guess what? We're going to take 1, multiply by 2, we get 2. We're going to take our 25 over 2 and multiply by 2, we have 25. We're going to take our 8 to multiply by 2. My brain was moving too fast for my writing. You would have 16. And then you will take your 9 multiplied by 2 and you will get 18. And that is your balance. If you follow the rules properly for combustion, there's no need to do a check. All right, so you try and balance it. If you have a fraction or a decimal, you multiply everybody by 2, and then we are done because oxygen is balanced. All right, so hopefully that was helpful. I know we went through these problems in class yesterday, but I just wanted to review them just so we're all on the same page. Okay? All right, well, if you have any more questions, you know how to find me.